Hey everyone, today we're unboxing something different. It's not a toy, it's not any kind of board games, it's not even Play-Doh or slime or something related to that. But it's wireless headphones. So everyone, we'll be unboxing some wireless headphones from Sonic Gear. And they're called Airphone 3. Look at the side here. So my parents bought this for a purpose. It's for our online classes, listening to music, and playing Roblox. Yep, playing Roblox. They're really sweet. Welcome to Zaza's and Zizi's Fun Ventures, where learning is having fun. So want to take a look? Let's show you. Let's take this out. Look at it. Oh, look at these. The material of these things here, and here, oh, they look like leather, but mostly like a foam squishy toy. Oh, look at the design. Look, it even has the Sonic Gear logo here. Oh, look at this. They look so cool. I love the design. It's black and blue. Show off. And now there are buttons here. They have very small marks. I can't see them. I don't understand.
Whoa.
I think they're for turning on. And look. Here there's a letter R. Maybe it means this thing goes to the right. And this part goes to the left. So you wear it like this. So, how to set it up? Phone. Okay, we have to set it on. No peeking. So look, I prepared a song here for the examples. So you turn on the Bluetooth.
I don't know.
Here, you look for in the paired devices, Airphone 3. Press it, and then it connects.
My baby's so high.
Okay, it's still connecting.
Coming.
Anyways, take a little bit more look at those sweet earphones.
Oh, I don't know.
You couldn't connect.
Again,
I
try it again.
don't know.
Bluetooth with Airphone 3 ended.
a baby. Coming, Mom.
Oh, yay, it's done.
It's
done. So, I'll try and put these things on. Okay, I'm wearing it alright. Let's listen to this. Oh my! Huh?
Oh, I don't
Can you hear it? Because if you hear it, that means it's not connected.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know.
Ads.
Oh, I don't know.
Wow. If I would describe this, I describe it as very crisp sound. It's very clear, and it's like you're at a party. The sound at the speakers are just so loud. It's so nice. Stop. It was so cool, and when you put it on your ears,
Oh, I don't know.
oh, it's so soft. You can even hear them squishing. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you like the video. And like and subscribe. Bye, everyone. And also, during this event, the coronavirus, always remember to wear your mask and maintain 1 meter social distancing. Bye, everyone. And stay safe. Mystery somewhere deep in the world. I know you're ready.
What the fuck? Say num 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 num
Wow.
num num num
Num,
num
num.
num 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 num.
What the baby? What ads?
What's the base?
What the
Finish na.
base?
Finish na ang fox song.